dear friends, a very good day to you all. How are you all doing? Welcome back to My Cakes and More, where my cakes are also yours and more. Well, my dear friends, as the festive season is truly felt and sumptuous foods and delectable dishes will once again overflow and spread over the Christmas and New Year's tables, here is one cheap but healthy dessert which will augment your taste buds with all those mouth-watering foods. Not to mention that this is going to be shared to you with a twist. Come and join me as I share this secret recipe on Cathedral Window Jelly Dessert, which is a perfectly special dessert for Christmas. Come on, and let's start! Colored and flavored gelatin powder, at least 3 colors and flavors, but the more will be better and more colorful. 1 box of plain gelatin powder or 50 grams. 1 can of evaporated milk, big size or 385 ml. 1 big can of sweetened condensed milk, big size or 397 grams or 14 ounces. 1.5 cups of all-purpose thick cream or 375 ml, unchilled and in room temperature. 1/2 cup of white sugar. 1.5 cups of boiling water or 375 ml. And various food colors and flavoring if needed, or it is optional. Let's prepare first the colored and flavored gelatin. I simply follow the directions in the pouch. One secret is to lessen the amount or quantity of water for a firmer gelatin. Let's first add boiling water into the bowl. Then add the gelatin powder. Stir constantly until the gelatin powder gets dissolved with the boiling water. Once it's fully dissolved, now you may add the room temperature water. Stir once again, then set aside. This you do for the remaining colored and flavored gelatin powder. When transferring this mixture to a molder, make sure to use a strainer to sieve any unwanted particles for a smooth jelly, which we will later on use for our Cathedral Window Jelly Dessert. Now, let's prepare for the cream mixture or the custard. In a bowl, pour in boiling water, add sugar, Stir until sugar is partly dissolved. Then add the 50 grams of gelatin powder, plain gelatin. Constantly stir until gelatin powder is dissolved with the water and sugar. Now, let's add evaporated milk. Constantly stir to avoid formation of lumps or curdling. Add condensed milk. Constantly stir to make sure that the condensed milk gets dissolved with the current mixture. Just please be reminded that this cream mixture should be prepared when all the colored and flavored jelly have been chilled for at least 6 hours or overnight. This is one good, simple, and affordable recipe which I am sharing with you. This simple dessert recipe is suitable not only for this festive season, Christmas and New Year's celebration, but can also be prepared and served for any occasion. It is easy and fun to prepare. I advise that you can also prepare this with your kids, especially when preparing the colored and flavored jelly. It's colorful and they will surely love it. By now, you would notice that the mixture is smooth and ready for the next procedure. Our next procedure is to slice the chilled gelatin into cubes. Now, let's prepare the molder where we will transfer the mixture and the gelatin. One secret is that if you are using a baking pan or a baking molder, brush melted butter or vegetable oil onto the molder for an easy demolding later on. Now carefully arrange the different colorful and flavored gelatin cubes into the molder. Do this randomly or alternatively for a beautiful design and presentation. Prepare the cream mixture. Stir it a little before pouring it into the molder. Once again, the secret for a smooth cathedral window jelly is to sieve before we pour into the gelatin molder. This is to get rid of any unwanted particle or any lumps. Repeat the process of random distribution of colorful and flavored gelatin cube until you fill it to the rim or until the molder is full. Once you are done, chill it overnight before serving. Finally, you can enjoy now your cathedral window gelatin dessert. Thank you, my dear friends, for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed preparing this wonderful and special recipe with a twist on Cathedral Window Jelly Dessert. Once again, thank you and hope to see you in our next video. Take care. Goodbye and God bless. See you!